I've got books. I've got music. I'm ready to potentially wait in line for 6 hours for a dog. What's up, Mimbo?
What's up, Mimbo?
We're back.
We're back.
We just got back from tour.
Yes, we did.
And we've been wanting to get a dog for a while, and it hit both of us that it's time. It's time. So I looked at a bunch of shelters. I found a little puppy we can rescue, and we're gonna go wait in line to rescue this puppy.
It's currently 3 a.m., so good morning.
We think that people told us 5 a.m., but the website says that they don't open till noon, so.
But we want a puppy. So.
Yeah, I'm really excited.
Let's go do it. We're here!
It's terrible lighting.
It's only 4:30. Oh, let's go outside. It's even better lighting out, right? Because it's 4:30 a.m. But we made it. It's so quiet. Oh my gosh. We're those people. We're gonna sit on the sidewalk now.
Just listen. You can hear every step I'm taking because it's so quiet. It's like really, really creepy. I'm not gonna lie. Or it could be really calming.
Can you hear this? Let me know if you can hear this in the comments.
I believe we're here. There's also, I don't know if we mentioned, but there's a chance that, yeah, we did. I'm really tired. There's there's a chance it might not open until noon, and
so
we'll be here until noon. But
which is 7.5 hours from now. We really want this one dog. Her name is Tinkerbell on the website.
Ready for a dog. They should like tease you by like I just trying to see if there's somebody in there. If those are just cats or if they're puppies. I just want to see if I can like get a glimpse.
She told us to come at 5.
She did say 5, but I don't, you know, now in my mind, when I go back to it, I did ask twice. She could have been joking around, but I'm pretty sure. So I have this theory that Tinkerbell's already here, though.
Oh, she's in the house.
That's why I was trying to just get a little peek, see if she's in there.
Maybe that's the person that's gonna open it.
No.
Nope, this is the person I thought we looked crazy sitting here, and I agree with him. We're a little crazy right now.
You know, if you're gonna do something, why do it halfway? Why don't you just like do
Why
it
work smart when you can work hard? You know what I'm saying?
James, shut up.
I feel like a kid on Black Friday waiting for an Xbox.
I just feel like a kid on Christmas morning. Like last night when I realized there was hours. Is this really zoomed in on my face?
No, it's not.
Okay, it feels really close. Oh, stop! Back up.
It's got a wide
No,
lens.
James, no, too close. Too close.
Fine, I'll zoom it in. And hold it that was.
Last night when I realized there was just a few hours until it was time to go wait for our little puppy, I was like, man, it's like waiting for Christmas morning. I got that exact feeling. It was
still feel like Christmas morning?
It's kind of cold, so yeah.
So Maddie went to sleep in the Prius. It's currently 6:30 a.m. so still quite early. I feel like I've been here forever. It's been about 2 hours. Needless to say, it didn't open up at 5 like we thought it was going to. But I do hear dogs yipping inside, so we'll probably be here for another 6 hours. Oh joy. How's your nap in the back seat?
It's good. I used the dog bed as a pillow. It was very comfortable.
Did you take a cat nap?
On the doggy bed? Although, if you're following what's happening here, yeah, they definitely were lying or joking or something because it's almost 7 a.m. and they're not here and it's not open.
Progress.
So, yeah, I mean, noon. Here we come.
She's gonna drive on over to McDonald's, which is right there. In the same parking lot.
Get in line, here comes the car! Hey, hi, Booger, come here.
Oh my god.
Come here, Booger, hi.
Are we good to take her now?
I know, can we just have her, please? Look at these little critters. Oh my god. They're biting your shoelace. Oh, hello. Hello.
Guys, no.
Look at you guys. How can you fall? You can fall in love like in a second.
Oh, and meanwhile, look at it.
She She's like,
The
I'm
newest
out of here.
member of Mimbo. Booger.
There. Hey, Booger, what's that? It's a camera. Are you curious at all about it? What is it?
Yeah, you're so cute.
Couldn't believe it. First thing we got in there, she ran right up to us
Yeah,
and started
she
playing
did.
with us instantly.
I'm so excited. I've only had one dog growing up and it was the best experience ever.
Yes!
I'm gonna go pee now.
Come here, Booger. Come here, Booger. Yay! Good Booger. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. Yeah.
Look at her, she's playing.
Yeah. You're a good girl. Oh, yep. Potty.
Is she potty?
Yep, that's a potty.
Good Booger. Good Booger.
Yeah.
Good
But she didn't keep bringing
Booger.
it to her.
Guys, I'd recommend getting a dog. Come here. Yeah, good girl. You think I have more food, but I don't.
Don't they look cute together?
We had a really successful first day with Booger. Who do you think you are, anyways?
Tired dog daddy. And a sleepy puppy. We really did. I got her to come and sit. We gave her a bath. She learned to love her brush.
She pees on the pads, nowhere else.
Instantly.
She dookied outside.
Booger!
Good.
Come here, Booger. Come on. Come on. You.
Oh,
yeah.
hi. Oh. Now we're going over to play a game night
Yep.
with some friends, and we're going to surprise
Hopefully.
them with a dog. Some of them know, some of them don't know.
Hopefully she'll be a nice little game night buddy. Oh my land.
She'll have
Oh,
two
my
doggy
Lanta.
friends there too. So we'll see how they get along.
I think her and Peanut would be fun. Blackjack. Blackjack's a wild card. So cute. Alright, let's go.
Okay.
Okay, Booger. Come on, Booger.
As you can see, she's gotten a lot more comfortable with us. Oh my gosh! You've got the dog! You got friends. Look at
Peanut's good with that.
yeah,
I don't know how she is.
Oh.
She might be a little scared.
Alright guys, we had a really good game night. Lots of friends.
Booger's had a big day. She
Booger
did
had
so
a really
good.
big,
She was
long
so
day.
well behaved.
She's so tired.
And she's so
now.
good with people, which is really a relief because I want to be able to travel a lot with her. You did so good, Booger. I'm really proud of her. I'm really proud of her.
It still feels pretty surreal. But we're on our way
It's a little weird
home.
to be responsible for another living creature.
Yeah, it is. Especially when we have a tough
It's
time
neat.
with ourselves and keeping plants alive in our yard.
Yeah, that's right.
But we're gonna go home, sleep. Still deciding whether she's gonna sleep in the bed with us or not.
I know. I think we should kennel train
It's
her
very
first.
tempting.
I know. but
Good
it's-
call. Yes. Let's do that.
Unfortunately. Blah blah blah.
Like, blah blah blah, subscribe. Blah blah blah, see you later.
Oh, that was her first. She's like, what was that? Hi. She thought we were singing to her.
We were. It's all for
You did your first vlog, Booger. Good job.
It's all for you. She's like, get me off of this right now. I did not sign the release. My managers are not okay with this.
My managers don't know about this yet.
That puppy's just too cute.